SAQ second Roman fourth bit. First write the problem. Find the equation of important for 7 marks. Equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Underline that point. Axis is parallel to x-axis and passing through the points. Minus 2 comma 1, minus 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 and minus 1 comma 3, minus 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2 and minus 1 comma 3. Listen. Find the equation of the parabola. Axis line is parallel to x-axis and passing through the points. Let it be A, B, C. Passing through the points A, B, C. Listen carefully. Equation of this parabola. In this place, y square equal to 4x in this place. But origin is shifted to some point. So, this is h comma k. Y minus k whole square. 4a into x minus h. Or this can be expressed as expanding this one, we get y square term and y term and some constant a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to x term and another constant. Constant minus constant equal to another constant. So this can be written as x equal to L m square plus L y square, L y square plus my plus n. We apply this formula only in this problem only. Equation of the parabola passing through the 3 points. Axis line is parallel to the x-axis. So x equal to Ly square plus my plus n. Suppose given axis line parallel to y-axis, then this equation becomes to y equal to Lx square plus mx plus n. Write down the solution. Given points are, take the diagram also. Given points are capital A, minus 2 comma 1, capital B 1 comma minus 2, and capital C minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3. Next, let equation of the parabola x equal to ly square plus my plus n, that is equation number 1. We calculate L value, M value and N value. Next, write down. Given the points A, B and C, A, B and C lies on the parabola, lies on the parabola, lies on the parabola. Substitute these 3 points. X value minus 2, L into 1 square, M into 1 plus N. So this implies L plus M plus N equal to minus 2. Substitute the first point. Y value 1. Y value 1. Next, substitute the second point. X value 1. L into 2 square plus M into 2 plus N. This implies 4L plus 2M plus N equal to 1. Equation number 3. Next, substitute the third point. X value minus 1, L into y square value 3 square, M into 3 plus N, 9L plus 3M plus N equal to minus 1. Next, solve these 3 equations and find the values of L, M and N. Observe these 3 equations, plus N, plus N, plus N. So 2 minus 3, N cancel. We get an equation in LM. Next, 3 minus 4, N cancel. We get another equation in LM. One is 5th equation, second one is the 6th equation. Solve 5 and 6. Okay, so 2 minus 3, second equation, minus third equation, second equation, minus third equation, L plus M plus N minus 4L minus 2M minus N equal to minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, plus N minus N cancel. L values minus 3L minus M equal to minus 3. This implies 3L plus M minus 3 equal to 0. This is one relation between L and M. Next, subtract 3 and 4. 3 minus 4 gives third equation 4L plus 2M plus N minus 9L minus 3M minus N equal to 1 minus of minus 1 plus N minus N cancel minus 5L minus M equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Next, 5L plus M plus 2 equal to 0. That is equation number 6. So we get two relations between L and M. Solve these two equations, we get L value and M value. Then substitute L value, M value in 2 or 3 or 4. We get N value. Next, substitute L value, M value, N value in the first equation. We get the parabola equation. That is the procedure. Next, write down. Solve 5 and 6. Solve 5 and 6. 1 minus 3 1 2 5 1 L M 1 L by AD value 2 minus BC value minus 3 minus or minus plus 3 M by AD value minus 15 minus BC value 6 1 by AD value 3 minus BC value 5. So L by 5 M by minus 21 1 by minus 2. So L value L equal to L equal to 5 by minus 2. 5 by minus 2. M value minus 21 by minus 2. Minus 21 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. M value is 21 by 2. Substitute L value, M value in 2 or 3 or 4. Take the first equation, second equation. From the second equation, L plus M plus N equal to minus 2. L value minus 5 by 2, M value 21 by 2 plus N equal to minus 2. So N value minus 2 plus 5 by 2 minus 21 by 2. 2 LCM minus 4 plus 5 minus 21 minus 25 plus 5 minus 20 by 2 minus 20 by 2 minus 10. So we get L value, M value and N value. Substitute these three values in equation number 1. Next, substitute the values L, M and N. L, M and N in the first equation. Therefore required parabola equation is x equal to L value minus 5 by 2 y square, M value 21 by 2 y, C value minus 10, take 2 LCM minus 5y square plus 21y minus 20 by cross multiplication 2x equal to minus 5y square plus 21y minus 20. Last step, 5y square minus 21y plus 2x plus 20 equal to 0. ఏంటమ్మా
ఏమై చెప్పు
సురేష్ వీడియో రావట్లేదు.